Hey guys, welcome to a different type of video. Today we're going to be using MidJourney, which is a image generator, AI image generator. I got it about 2 weeks ago because I was curious and I kept seeing like people's AI creations all over Reddit. So I was like, okay, I want to have a go. It is really hard to use, and there are some tutorials, and I haven't actually watched any tutorials just yet. I do plan on watching some because I want to get better at it. Let me just take that off. Yeah, I do plan on watching some because I want to get better at it. But you can see this is what people are generating in there. Absolutely craziness. And I'll show you what I've created. I've been creating some aliens, some tigers. I have to find some inspiration. Now these images here were taken from I referenced some images from my event. Yeah, I've created some cool stuff. I like this one. What else is there? Some dragons, and then so I created some concert kind of vibes. But yeah, I thought I'd bring you guys with me because I have so much fun in this and just figuring out how to use prompts and stuff. And you might even learn something from it if you do decide to go subscribe to it. But nonetheless, we're gonna create I want to create a nightclub, a really cool nightclub. And I'm thinking a futuristic one, so somewhere where aliens would go. Now you'll already see I've got this whole alien vibe going on recently, a little bit obsessive, but let's just start off basic and put in alien nightclub, see what comes up, and then based off that we'll get some inspiration. But I'm thinking a really cyberpunk kind of vibe, kind of like what a nightclub would look like if it was on Mars. But let's just run it and see what we get. You see, so it's already giving us some pretty nice ideas. I like the look of this. I like the wiggliness of them. This looks awesome, but that looks too industrial. But I like these two mainly. So what I'm going to do is, we're going to use the image here, and we're also going to use this image, see how it puts it back into the prompt. And then the style I'm not too keen on. I want it to be more realistic, so let's make it realistic. In fact, let's get the prompt back as well. What do I want? I want lasers. What else would aliens have in a nightclub? Laser lights and a massive DJ booth. I want a balcony. Let's see how that performs. But yeah, MidJourney is just fun in general. Like I said, there's people creating all sorts of really, look at this. But like I said, I haven't actually watched a tutorial on it yet. So what I'm gonna do after this episode, after this episode, I'm probably gonna watch some tutorials and see how to do some more prompts and things, because I'd like to think that I can create these, but I know it's difficult. But you see the kind of description that they go into, and then the quality as well. There's different settings and stuff for the actual machine, which I find fascinating. So it's gonna take some time to get to this level of precision, but for now we can just create what we want and see what we get given. Oh, I like the look of these. See this one, I like the look of this. This reminds me kind of the nightclub in Grand Theft Auto 5. That's cool. You see, this one's in space. I don't necessarily want it to be in space, so I like this vibe. Let's carry on with this kind of vibe. So we're gonna take this. I like the style as well. So let's take the style. Let's take the image. Take the style. Take the prompt, and then we need to be. Well, we clearly saw if we go on what other people have created. Look at the specifics. So what we need to be more specific with it. So what do we want to add? Again, I want the DJ booth. There's no DJ booth here, so let's see if we can add a DJ. Well, get the DJ booth. It's definitely got the balcony and it's got the long bar, but let's see if that makes a difference. So here's where, let me show you something. This is where is it? Here's where I'm not too specific with it, because first of all, I don't know what the versions mean necessarily, and then the aesthetics as well. Let's put the style. Let's try and mess about with these, see what we get. I know that weirdness can give you some crazy stuff, so let's put that to 300, and then we want a bit more variety, don't we? Just so that we can get some more ideas. I'm happy with it being square. Take that off, and then let's see what we get. You see, it's completely giving me something else. But we did put the weirdness up, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the prompt in again, the same prompt. Yeah, no. It is crazy what it comes up with. So, right, let's get the same prompt from here. You see how it went like off from what we were going for? But I'm guessing it's because of the... Let's drop the weirdness, and we'll keep the variety up. I like that variety, and then let's run it again. Then again, is it? Ooh, yeah, we'll see what happens. I forgot to reference. Actually, no, I should already reference it. Okay, this is. I like the look of this, and that's a little bit weird. I'll probably have to blur that out. But anyway, so I like this image, and then let's go back to this one which we liked. We like the style from this one as well. He keeps ignoring the DJ booth. Imagine cyberpunk elevated. You know what? Let's just put the DJ booth. You know what? I don't want the DJ booth in the center of the room. DJ booth in the center of the dance floor. Let's put flames in as well. See what happens. And at least now we've referenced the things we like. I'm guessing that's how you're gonna be able to get better, right? If you keep referencing the ones you like the look of, like, it makes sense that these are the ones that are gonna get closer to what you want. But it's crazy because I don't, in my mind, although I want to create something, I don't actually know what I want to create, but yet the AI will give it me. Right, it's giving me some nice things now, right? But it's still not giving me my DJ booth in the middle. Let me see what happens if I put DJ booth in the middle of a nightclub floor, just out of curiosity. Because if we can get that, maybe we could reference that image, connect it with the rest, and say, listen, this is what I want, this is the vibe I want, this is like, you know, like maybe it can marry each other. But again, I haven't watched any tutorials, so if there are any MidJourney nerds out there, don't come for me. But I reckon, give me a year and watch how crazy my AI designs are gonna be. Alright, that's basic. That's weird. That's nice. That's okay. Right, let's add the image from here. Let's add. I like this one. I like this one a lot. Where is it? This one. And then let's get the prompt. I think what it is, I don't think we're being specific enough, but again, you could argue that I don't actually know what I want, but you know, no, I do know what I want. I want the DJ booth in the middle of the room. So there's little things we know we want, but it's not listening to me. Let's start again. Right, show me an alien nightclub with the DJ booth centered in the center of the room. What else can we give it that can be more specific? What do we like from the other ones? I liked the funkiness of the first few it gave us. Where are they? Here. I liked like this. How do we like describe this? Curvy walls, almost amphibious looking walls. Let's try that. Amphibious wall decor. Let's put that through, see what happens. But yeah, another reason I decided to make a video like this was because I realized although there's lots of tutorials on how to use MidJourney, like when you type in MidJourney on YouTube, there's no people just going through it, and like sometimes it's more useful, or you learn more from someone that's just using it like this. Because even with things like Fruity Loop Studio, for example, which is a audio editing software, or Adobe Suite and things, there's videos on YouTube of people just creating stuff. So I was like, okay, well, there's not one for MidJourney, maybe I could be the first. Right, it's still not giving me what I want. We are getting somewhere. I do like these though. These are looking a lot more interesting. So if I was to let's highlight the ones we like. I like this description. Let's add this image. If I just keep adding, right now, guys, honestly, I'm just playing about, like, and I like this. I like this style, so let's get this style. I also like make it ultra realistic, 4K. Let's make it 4K ultra realistic. Now the reason I'm putting that is because when I made some tigers a while ago, I know I got inspiration from someone else's, and they had that in the prompt. because they're the tiger. They had like some cyber tigers that they made, and I saw that in the prompt. I was like, is that how you get it to make it look like really, you know, cool? Because don't get me wrong, these look nice, but you can see they're like quite like, it looks almost like a painting. I want it to look real. But what we'll do after we get these ones, we will play around again with the settings and see if we can change it up a little bit more. There we go. Right, you see, now that's more like it. Yes, so we're getting there now. I like these a lot. Okay, so it's a process, isn't it? So if we know we like these, we should copy the image. I guess that's what you can use the vary for. Makes minor changes, makes broader changes to the image. With these, it will just generate them automatically. It's annoying me that the DJ booth there's still not a DJ booth, but I might be able to add that in after anyway, and then we can try this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna whack it right to the top, see what happens, and then we'll whack it right to the bottom and see what happens, just out of curiosity. So let's do the top first. We'll drop the variety. Just why not? I like these. I like this. I like this. I like these even more. Ooh, this is my favorite. Right, okay, now that we've done that, let's see what happens when we do the exact same thing we just did, and then we drop the stylization, and then but now you see how it's getting like more, there's more of a consistent theme now. So what we can do is we can put all those images together, I'm assuming, and then we'll get even closer to that thing. It's just like I said, I want a DJ booth and I still don't see one, which is not ideal, but I'm liking the look of this, especially once I upscale it. So when you open it like this, you can see it's not the resolution's good, but as soon as you upscale it, that's when it'll look really crisp, and I'll show you what I mean by that. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's interesting. I like these as well. So what I'm going to do, because I like all of these, I like all of them. From here, I like all of them. We're going to put all of the images in just to see what happens. Image, 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 image. Shot every time I say image. Image. Now I noticed that once I put the stylization down, it made it look more like that, which I like. Now if I put the same prompt in as well, fine. Is that a DJ booth? It tried. It's trying. I'll give it that. I like this a lot. Out of all of them, I do like this one an awful lot. But yeah, let me show you what happens when we upscale it. Yeah, so when you upscale it, it will basically just generate the image in a higher resolution, which is what we want. I do like this one as well, actually, and I like this one. If I just put stylization, should we put weirdness up? Maybe we'll do that in the next episode. Subscribe. But let me run that and see what happens. Oh, see, right, look, it's upscaled it. See how much more crisp it looks. Wow, to an extent, but do you know what I mean? So I like this. Quite interesting to say the least. But it's mad, because when you zoom in, you realize it's just a whole lot of nothing, you know. Ooh. So one thing I don't understand, or what I struggle with, is not knowing because if I wanted to use this exact image, pretty much use this image, add more fog, but change nothing else. Let me see, because there's times when like you have what you want, and then you put another prompt in and it changes it, and it's like, wow, no, you didn't need to go that far. You see what I mean? What the, you know. That looks wicked though. You see, that's crazy. What? I like these. That is wild. You know what? Okay. So if we like this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna, first of all, let's upscale this. Whatever that just came up with there, I like that a lot. And this could be like the outside of the nightclub, right? And it's weird because the prompt was use this image, which I gave it, and change nothing else, and it changed the complete thing. But from now on, we're just gonna say this is the outside of the nightclub, outside of the nightclub. So we'll let that finish. I do like this. Let's upscale that, and then to finish off the video, we're gonna go to ChatGPT and we're gonna create a name for the nightclub. So give me cool alien nightclub names. I like Nubella Nights. That looks cool. I'm happy with that. Unfortunately, we didn't get my DJ booth. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a project on Canva. We're going to get some funky text and we're going to put Nubella Nights. I like that. It looks a little bit sinister though. I like that one the most. Coming soon. There we go. And we've just created a new alien nightclub that's going to be coming soon to Mars or whatever planet we're on, and it's going to be called Nubella Nights, and we're going to get a really good turnout. That's going to be everything anyway, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. I'm definitely going to do some more because that was fun, and it was interesting, and I do plan on watching some tutorials because, like I said, that top image was totally unintentional, but yeah, it still slaps and it looks like, you know, outside of the new nightclub. But yeah, drop a like, drop a comment, smash subscribe. If you like this, definitely leave a comment because I'm curious. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.